How to delete all mail from iPhone at once. So all you have to do is to go directly to your mail here. Just type your mail, and here you will see all the emails that I have. So my inbox area, basically I haven't read anything yet. So since you want to delete all mail from your iPhone at once, then on the upper right you will see this edit here, edit option. Tap on that edit option here, and you have to choose or click on the emails that you want to delete. Now since you want to delete all mail at once, then on the left's upper left you will see select all there. Tap on select all, and it will now select all your mails there. And then here on the bottom part you will see three different options there. You will see mark, move, and trash. So tap on trash there, and then tap on trash all. And basically here you will see that you have no mail anymore, and that is how you delete all mail from iPhone at once. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.